Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen how we can copy dictionary. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see methods of dictionary. So our first method is clear. So first of all I will just copy this dictionary. Okay, and I'll remove this duplicate value. Oops. Okay, now here I have clear method, so I'll say clear. Okay, if I say dict1 clear and print it, then you will see my dictionary is empty, right? It has basically removed all the items from the dictionary. Okay, so this is clear method. Then we have copy method, which we have seen in yesterday's video, right? Sorry, yeah, this one. So copy method. Okay, then we have from keys method. I will just save this, so I am not showing this copy method. Okay, I am not showing this copy in this file because we have already discussed in previous video, right? And then we have from keys. So this method basically creates a dictionary. So if I say a equals to, so if I say a equals to parenthesis, and I will write car, comma, bike, comma, truck. Okay, and if I say y equals to 3, and if I will write my dict equals to dict dot from keys, right? And here I need to pass a comma y. So this will create dictionary with value 3 in all the keys. So if I print my dict, right, and run this, then you can see all the key got 3 values, right? I mean 3 value 333, right? So this is from keys. Then we have seen get method, which is used to get data from the dictionary using key. So I will just write get, and here I'll say dict1, I mean a equals to dict1 dot get, and here I will write name, right? And I'll print a. Run this, you can see I got Yash Patel, right? So this is get method. Then we have already seen keys method, right? Keys method, which is used to pull out all the key from the dictionary. Then we have also seen pop, right, which is used to pop the particular item from the dictionary. Then we have seen pop items, right? So this basically removes last element of the dictionary. Okay, after get we have update. So we have also seen update, right? In let's see which one, remove, add, yeah, this one, in add items, right? So update is basically used to add a new item in a list or update a particular item in a list. Okay, then we have values. So I will write values. Okay, now this values basically returns all the values from the dictionary. So if I say print dict1 dot values, right, so it should return me all the values. You can see I got only values. You can see over here Yash Patel 23 and coding, right? Yash Patel 23 and coding. So we have keys method also and values method also. Okay, so these are the methods of a dictionary. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys, and in next video we are going to see sets. Okay, so If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.